Hello boss, this is Aaron from Xinbang Aluminum. Today I will showing you around our factories. Let's have a look of our original material. The material we use is 6063 A standard aluminum material. Each of them are selected to ensure the superior of our final products. This is our mold storage area, where we house over 10,000 different molds. These molds are the core assets we have accumulated over more than 20 years. After selecting and installing the mold onto the extrusion machine, we heat the aluminum rod. Using advanced extrusion techniques, we then produce track in various sizes and shapes to meet customer requirements. The track undergo a straining step, where they are pulleyed to ensure they are perfectly aligned and straight. The track are cooled and aged to enhance strength and durability, ensuring reliable performance in different environments. Before the color coating process, our products go through 6 clean baths to ensure the aluminum surface is perfectly clean and ready for coating. We apply oxidation and powder coating to improve corrosion resistance and appearance. Each track is rigorously inspected to meet international standard before leaving the factories. With 12 advanced PVC production lines, we ensure exceptional quality that delivers an enhanced silent experience for our trucks.